can see everything from my view. We're not like the sail.
Undo the whole jib and whatnot. Get the jib undone. One more turn. Are we good? So now what we do is at this part is we have two ropes.
Two ropes.
One rope goes one way, the other rope will go this way. I guess we'll have this underneath. So what we do is this rope right here will come through here, right? Pull this all the way through, and to keep the rope from slipping out. That, right?
Yeah.
Over on the other side, take jib rope. It's tight. But yeah, we're doing this with two people because our cleat's missing. So
yeah,
it's not a solo sail because one of the cleats is missing, so we can't really do it. I mean, we could if we really wanted to.
That'd be difficult.
But that's a pretty good summary.
We're sailing almost. Oh crap! Where's my rope? Oh, am I sitting on the wrong side?
Yeah, kind of.
It's okay.
Whoa!
Yo! That was hella fun. For all you people watching at home, it sucks that you can't do this with us. But at least it kind of feels like you're doing it with us, right? Right, Liam?
Yeah.
It's like
It's a fun thing to do, you know, it's easy. It's
fun.
Fun for the family and the kids.
Yeah.
Fun with the sun. It's just not fun when you're about to die. Alright, prepare to come about.
Oh yeah.
Come about.
Oh.
Got the jib.
Yeah. I got the jib.
Is that GoPro string bothering you, by the way?
Not really. It's gonna hit us in.
Prepare for the gust.
Prepare for the gust. Yeah.
Prepare to gust about. Oh, we can do better than that. Oh, yes we can. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Alright.
Okay, all you viewers.
We're getting a big gust here in a second.
Okay, viewer people. So we still need a name for this boat.
There we go.
So like if you, yeah, yeah,
Oh, we're still going. This is a big gust.
yo, viewers, if
Whoa!
like,
Oh my god.
shh.
I'm sorry. Whoa.
Whoa, yeah.
Oh my god, even bigger gust. Woo! Yeah.
That is what I like doing.
Woo!
Yo, so viewers, like so we're still trying to name this boat. So like if you have a good name,
Come about.
then like put it in the comments.
Come about.
Because we still need a name for the boat, right Liam? We still need a name. Because names are important. Holy
Sailing, boys. You caught the jib, bro?
yeah. I'm just putting it in that.
Trains you for when it's constant.
3v3 go dude.
Prepare to come about. Come about.
our peak. Woohoo! Holy no!
Oh my god, we got water! Whoa!
Woo!
Oh my god, it's so
We've never gotten it like that before. Dude, we've never gotten it like that before. Oh my god. Dude, we haven't done that yet like
Oh,
that.
I know. Oh, some bigger dust coming.
Yeah!
Whoa! Oh my god, the nose is going underwater.
Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah, boy!
Hell yeah, bro!
Yeah! That was awesome.
Alright, prepare to come about. Come about. Dude, we got water in it. Oh my god.
Here, I'll get the sponge. Woohoo! I feel like I'm wearing headphones. I don't know why.
It's over here. We cruising.
So it doesn't go sicko mode. Yeah! Like there are just people sitting on the beach jumping off the dock while we're just shredding over here.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We vibing over here, bro. Oh my god, that gusted so hard.
Oh my god.